Hi there, students. Grubby. Okay, grubby is an informal word that means dirty. But not very, very dirty, not filthy, just a bit grubby. So maybe you'd say to a child, wash your grubby hands. Before you eat, wash your hands because they're a bit grubby, a bit dirty, a bit dusty. Some parts of London used to be very grubby, but I think London is a lot less grubby than it used to be. It depends where you go. I think the pollution from cars makes cities grubby. Grubby is quite a friendly way of saying dirty. Dirty is much stronger, whereas grubby implies, well, it's got some marks on it. One of the reasons I can't wear white is because I always get grubby marks on my white shirt or whatever I've got on that's white. It's probably because my fingertips are grubby and I touch myself and I leave a grubby mark. Okay, so remember, grubby is a friendly way of saying dirty. Some of the students handed in a perfect, pristine white sheet with their essay on, but some of the students' essays were a bit grubbier, with slightly dirty marks. So grubby, it's a friendly way of saying dirty, not clean. This room is rather grubby and we need to clean it. So remember, it's not very strong. It's polite and nice and a little bit less direct. If you don't want to get things grubby, you need to try to keep them clean. And if they do get grubby, wash them immediately. Very often we use this phrase, get your grubby little hands off something. So don't touch my. Get your grubby little hands off my book. Okay, this is a collocation. You're saying get your dirty hands, but grubby is a bit more polite. Get your grubby hands off this. Don't touch it. The politician wanted to get his grubby little hands on control of the company. So grubby little hands, it's implying that somebody doesn't have a good intention. Their intentions are not maybe completely honest, or you're worried they're going to break something. So grubby, maybe almost a child's word. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Grubby.